Welcome back at 7:14. Getting enough sleep is vital to maintaining good health, but 1 in 3 American adults consistently get less sleep than is recommended. Dr. Brent Wallis joins us from People's Health to discuss the importance of sleep and give us some tips for maintaining a healthy sleep schedule. Dr. Wallis, thanks for being here this morning. We were talking about how it is a struggle to get the appropriate amount of sleep most nights. Why is that?
Yeah, absolutely. People can have all sorts of difficulty falling asleep. It's very important though for people to get about 7 to 9 hours of sleep a night, and you want that to be really quality sleep. So you don't want to be waking up frequently during the night and being disturbed. You want to wake up really refreshed the next morning.
I think that's the difficult part there, is getting quality sleep. Of course, I would love to get a good solid 8 hours of sleep, but I'm finding myself getting barely 6 because I'm waking up throughout the night. How can we make sure that we get quality sleep?
Yeah, one of the most important things to do is to make sure that your sleep environment is really good. So, doing things that you're supposed to do in bed, sleeping is critical. Watching TV can actually be very disruptive. And actually, using your phone, because of the blue light that's emitted from your phone, that can actually disturb your sleep as well. So you want to make sure that you've got a nice, cool, dark environment, that you take a little bit time to settle down and rest so that you can actually get good sleep throughout the night.
And that could be very difficult this time of the year as the heat is on and everybody's AC's hopefully cranked and trying to make that cool sleep environment. What are some health benefits of getting quality sleep?
Yeah, well, it's well recognized that if you don't get good sleep every night, it's going to cause a lot of different problems. It really affects every aspect of your daily life. It can really cause mental cloudiness, can actually make you very emotional, can actually cause a lot of frustration for people, and you can demonstrate that outward towards others as well. The benefits of getting good sleep is that it really helps your body re-energize. It can actually reduce your chances of developing chronic diseases like hypertension and diabetes as well. So it really is critical to have that restorative sleep every night.
And I guess if you're not getting that quality sleep, it can lead to some severe sleep disorders. Can you provide us with some examples of those?
Yeah, sure. There's a few really common sleep disorders. The most common that everyone probably knows about is insomnia. And insomnia can either be trouble falling asleep, or it can often be trouble staying asleep as well. So if you're waking up frequently throughout the night, you want to talk to your doctor about that, because again, if you're not able to get that restful sleep, that's going to cause long-term problems. Another one that's very common in our area, especially people that have allergies or a lot of inflammation in their sinuses, can develop something called sleep apnea. And sleep apnea can cause periods of time during the night where you're not getting enough oxygen, and you may actually wake up even if you don't remember it. What that is going to cause in the morning is you're going to feel very fatigued. You're not going to have that energy that you really need to jump into the day.
Okay, so a lot of things there to check in with your doctor if you think you're experiencing those disorders, but all good, helpful tips for getting a good night's sleep. Dr. Wallis, thank you so much for being here with us this morning.
Yeah, thanks for having me. Have a great weekend.
All right, you too.